What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Sweet Cheese 88 and I am back with another video. If you would like to see what I'm eating on today, pull up a seat and eat with your girl Sweet. What is going on? I am back with another video. I know it has been a while, but guess what? I'm back with another one. And today on the menu, we are doing a oldie but goodie. This is an old trend that I used to love to watch people eat, and now I finally get to do it. Today I have cucumbers, sausage. I don't know how they're showing up. It looks a little dark, but these are sausages. I like my sausages cooked a little well. And I have some jasmine rice right here, and I have some sauce. Now, this is a trend that used to go on maybe like 2 years ago. Yeah, I think, if I'm not mistaken, I believe, don't quote me, but I think that Kim Tai was the one who started this mukbang with these ingredients. But I used to love watching people do it, and now I'm so excited I finally get the chance to do it myself. So again, that's cucumbers. These are turkey sausages, and they're just fried, sauteed up real good, real well. I like my sausages cooked well. And I have some jasmine rice here, and I have some sauce. Now this right here is some fresh cut onions. A while ago I saw Beloved do her video when she did the cucumber sausage and rice. She had added some fresh cut onions in there, and it just looked good to me. I like raw onions, so I thought it would go perfect. So let's get started. So with this trend, what you want to do is, oh, I forgot to put some parsley on top of my rice. It's okay. So you want to grab you some rice and grab you a sausage. Oh, dang, I need to get a spoon for my sauce. And get you some sauce. It can be whatever sauce you find appetizing. And you're gonna eat it. That's a big bite. Ooh. Okay. That's so good. See, the thing about it is, I don't know, every ingredient just adds an element. Like, the rice and the sausage, it just go hand in hand. But then you dip it in that sauce, it tastes it up to another level. But then once you put that in your mouth and then you bite this cucumber, it just adds a freshness. This is so good. I'm so glad that I got the chance to do this. Mmm. This is so good. Wow. So yummy. Wow. This is really yummy. So good. I can't even talk and catch up with y'all because it's so good. I just want to keep eating it. So you did a rice, and then you throw a sausage topper on there, and then you grab your cucumber so you have it on deck. Maybe I can get my cucumber to scoop up all that good old sauce. And that's a big bite. It might not look like a big bite, so y'all, that's a big old bite. My sauce is spicy. And child, I ain't even gonna call it be little sauce no more, cause I just done turned this into my own sauce. I just add, I be adding different stuff here and there. So, what has been going on since I've been gone? Oh, first, let me say, welcome to all of my new subscribers. Y'all, we have really gotten up there. We are over 200 subscribers. That makes me so happy. Y'all, oh my god, that makes me so happy. I cannot believe that I have over 200 subscribers. That is definitely a milestone for me, especially considering I didn't even think I would. Yeah, I mean, it was a goal for 100, and now I have over 200. That is so crazy to me, and I thank y'all so much for coming and kicking it with your girl. And to all my new subscribers, welcome. My name is Sweet Sheets 88, and it's a sweet gang over here. I mean, you know, I wanted to wait till I got over 100 subscribers to start my little sweet gang, but it's official now. It's official. We sweet gang all day. Sweet gang. You hear me? And if you're new here, all you have to do to become a part of the sweet gang, hit that subscribe button. That's all you gotta do. Hit the subscribe button, and you win the gang. It's a sweet gang now. You can't be sour. Now, you cannot be sour if you want to be a part of the sweet gang. Okay? Sweet cheeks don't allow that. We don't like sour, bitter, nor salty. Sweet. Mmm. This is so good. I love cucumbers. Cucumbers are so good. And so refreshing. I love eating them by themselves. But you want to know something that's weird? I don't like cucumbers in my salad. I do not like cucumbers in my salad. I don't know why. I just don't like it. But by themselves, or like cucumbers and vinegar or something, I like it. See that? I like my sausages burnt. I can't eat them no other way. If it ain't got no burn on it, I can't do it. You got to have it burn on it. And I eat turkey sausage because I do not eat beef. Let me show y'all what this looks like. Can you see it? You got the rice, you got the sausage, and you got that sauce. What has been going on, y'all? So much has been going on. And y'all, I've been MIA since the last video. This year just been caught up. I got a lot going on. But it's okay. I'm here. Actually, no. I've been here. I just, you know, I've tried to record 2 videos, y'all. 2. And they just did not work out for me. The devil just hating. The devil hating big time on my little channel, honey, because he just was interfering and blocking all the shots. I recorded this before. This is the cucumber sausage and the... Gosh, I don't know why I'm gonna put that video out. My shit gotta be right. We ain't just putting out anything over here. If it ain't right, I ain't putting it out. So, I took a little break to, you know, regroup. Now we're back. And I said I'm gonna do that same video. Just to let the devil know, baby, ain't defeat me. You might have messed up that one, but guess what? We gonna do it again. Oh, we're here. We back. Did y'all miss me? I'm so happy. I'm so happy, y'all. Okay. Topics. Let's talk topics of the crazy shit been going on. Oscars. We ain't gonna spend too much time on it. Cause that's just... Why? Why did he do that? Why did he do that? I'm gonna tell you what's strange to me. That I have not heard anyone hollering out mental health. They saying it with Kanye, but they not saying it with Will. I don't know. I haven't seen it. I don't know. Maybe y'all done seen it. One of y'all done seen it. I don't know. I'm just saying I ain't seen it. I think Jada Pinkett got Will Smith losing his damn mind. It's just crazy to me. And it's obvious. Look at all the past events that's been the timeline of what they've been going through, the what's been, you know, put out there in regards to their relationship. It's Jada. That's my opinion. That is solely my opinion. I think that girl... I think that girl is driving Will Smith crazy. I don't know. But I definitely think it's something mental. That is crazy. He fucking slapped Chris Rock, y'all. That is mind-blowing to me. I'm going to go ahead and end it because I'm going to stop talking about it because I could just go on and on about that whole situation because it's just so mind-blowing to me. He did not just slap him, he slapped the shit out of him. You got to say, when you refer to him slapping Chris Rock, you can't just say he slapped him. No, he slapped the shit out of him. Baby. That is crazy. What is this world coming to? What is this world coming to? What else? What else been going on? Because I can make just a whole video just about that shit. It's spring. I'm so happy it's spring. I got my little pink nails. You like my nails? I got my little pink nail. I'm so excited for spring. I'm not gonna eat too much of this rice, y'all. That's too much starch for me. I love Kim Ty for coming up with this. Yeah, I am just a big fan of Kim Ty anyway. I watch all her videos, her vlogs. She don't really do mukbang videos like that no more, but I love Kim Ty. Her and all her dogs and her husband. She got this big old dog, like it is big. I don't know what kind of dog that is, but it is so cute. It is so big. It is so big. But I love Kim Ty. She eat cucumbers with a lot of her stuff, so I can believe that she the one that started this trend. There's another thing that she be eating that I want to try that is on her mukbang channel. It's spring rolls. I want to try spring rolls so bad. It looks so good. Who's another one? I be seeing Lovely Mimi. She has a few spring roll videos on her channel too. It looks good. I just want to try. I'm gonna do it, but they always say that the best brand when they make them themselves. Lovely Mimi has said this, and Kim Ty, that the best brand to use, the rice paper brand to use is the three ladies on it. Lovely Mimi call them the three bitches. But I cannot find them nowhere, and it is so crazy because like when I would go to like the international marts to get like my different noodles that I like, or seafood and stuff, I saw them all the time. I actually brought a pack one time and was gonna do it like a while ago, but I never did it. And I ended up throwing them away. But now I cannot find that brand nowhere. It has three ladies on it. I can't find it. Matter of fact, I went to the Asian Mart, not Asian Mart, but International Mart today to get this little wooden spoon, and I looked again, still didn't see it. And it's two that I go to, two that's in my local area that I go to. Can't find it. And I'm so mad about it, honestly, because I really want to do them spring rolls with some salmon or some shrimp, maybe some lobster. Maybe some lobster. I'm just not big on lobster. But y'all, I am about done with this. It was so good. This is good. This is really good. These cucumbers are so refreshing. So happy to be back here with y'all on my platform with over 200 subscribers. Ooh, you better act like you know. You better act like you know. I definitely will be coming with more videos for y'all. Please stay tuned. Welcome. If you're new, do me a favor, go ahead and press that subscribe button so you can become a part of the Sweet Gang. I'm your girl, Sweet Cheese 88, and when you come over here, you eating with sweets. We eat good. This right here, good. Good eats with sweets. Good eats with sweets. So eat with sweets. And you make it. You make it. This is easy. Look at some cucumbers. Cut them cucumbers in half. A lot of people, they eat it whole. I can't eat it whole. These are like the little miniature ones. These are like the little miniature cucumbers. So if you was whole, it probably wouldn't be no bigger than that. I don't really know. It works. I prefer them in halves. They're so cuter this way. Okay, so that is it for me today, guys. If you were eating with your girl Sweets, I hope you enjoyed. Thank you for coming back and joining me on another video, y'all. If you are new here and you would like to become a part of my sweet gang, all you have to do is press the subscribe button. Make sure you click the notification bell as well so you can be notified when I post another video. And again, I'm your girl Sweet She's 88, and it has been another beautiful time with y'all. I love y'all so much. Thank you for rocking with me. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for liking the video. Thank you for the comments and everything. It is truly a joy to see it, and I am an interactive person, so I will be interacting. I will be responding to you all's comments because we gang over here, and that's just what it is. So again, go ahead and press the subscribe button, and don't forget to click the notification bell so you can be notified when your girl Sweet Cheese post another video. Thank y'all for joining me, and I'll see y'all next time.